Hi, I'm Pip from queenpipcards.com and the Cardmaking Know-How Academy. Have you ever sat down to craft and felt completely stuck? Don't worry, it happens to everybody, even me. Today I'm going to share with you my top go-to strategies for breaking through your creative block so that you can get back to enjoying your card making. So when you're feeling stuck creatively, try these, okay? First of all, take a break and do something else entirely. Inspiration often strikes when you step away. I know it sounds really simple, but it's absolutely true. So take a break, breathe, step away, think about something else completely, and see what happens. Number two, use a sketch card or colour combination challenge. This can be really good to give you a creative prompt to give you a direction. Okay, so you have a layout, you know what it's all supposed to look like, and then you get some colours and then you go from there. Okay, this might be just enough to like lift you and start you off on your creative journey for your first card to start again with when you're stuck. Or number three, and this is my particular top tip, remake an old favourite. So take a past card design and give it a fresh update. I know that lots of you take photographs of your cards. And if you don't, then there's a hint there. Take photographs of your cards because then you can always look back on things that you've made and go, oh, okay, I could make that one again. Or some of you keep your cards, like the ones that are too good to give away. I know some people out there do that. So take an old design, something that you liked when you made it first, and then redesign it, like redo it. Exactly the same, but maybe with some different colours, or maybe with different stamps or dies. And just try and kickstart yourself that way. And remember that creativity isn't about waiting for inspiration, it's about getting started. Okay? Inside the Card Making Know-How Academy, we have monthly inspirational challenges to help you stay creative all year round. And if you'd like to join, you can find all the details down below. I hope that this has given you some thoughts and ideas about how to get going when that crafty mojo goes on a disappearing act. And I hope that you've enjoyed this weekly Crafty Corner episode, and I'll see you again next week for the next one. Take care for now. Bye bye.